Everyone knows ChatGPT. Everyone uses ChatGPT. But the people building the most interesting things in 2026, the developers shipping faster, the founders automating entire workflows, the creators producing more with less effort, most of them are not just using ChatGPT. They are using tools most people have never even heard of. 25 of them. And in this video you are going to know all of them. Subscribe to Padded Vibes and drop a comment telling me where you are watching from. Let us get into it. Gooseworks is an open-source AI coding agent that runs locally on your machine. Instead of copying code suggestions from an AI chatbot and pasting them into your editor manually, Gooseworks acts as an autonomous agent that can write, edit, and execute code directly in your development environment. Developers who have switched to this describe it as the difference between having an assistant who hands you tools versus one who actually does the work. OpenArt is an AI image generation platform built specifically for creative professionals who need more control than standard tools offer. It supports multiple generation models in one place, gives you fine-tuned style controls, and includes a workflow builder for chaining together image generation steps. For creators who need consistent visual output across a body of work, this level of control matters. Exa is a search engine built specifically for AI applications. Standard search engines return links. Exa returns the actual content, structured and clean, ready to be fed directly into an AI model. If you are building anything that needs real-time web information without the mess of scraping, Exa is what serious AI developers are using. Firecrawl solves the same problem from a different angle. It takes any website and converts it into clean structured data that AI can immediately process. One URL in, clean usable content out. For anyone building AI tools that need to read and understand web content, this is infrastructure level important. Jina AI provides tools for processing and understanding multimodal content, meaning text, images, and documents together. Its reader tool converts any URL into clean markdown that AI models can process reliably. It is one of those tools that sits quietly in the background of many AI applications doing essential work that most people never see. Browser Use is an open-source library that lets AI agents control a real web browser. The agent can navigate pages, click buttons, fill forms, and extract information just like a human would, but automatically and at scale. For anyone building automation that involves web-based tasks, this is one of the most practically powerful tools on this list. Composio connects AI agents to over 200 external tools and services through a single integration layer. Instead of building separate connections from your AI agent to every app it needs to work with, Composio handles all of those integrations in one place. Think of it as the plumbing that lets your AI agent actually interact with the rest of your software stack. Daytona is an open-source platform for managing development environments. It spins up standardized, reproducible coding environments in seconds, meaning every developer on a team or every AI agent generating code is working in exactly the same setup. No more works on my machine problems. E2B provides secure sandboxed environments where AI agents can run and test code safely. When an AI is generating and executing code, you need it happening in an isolated environment that cannot affect your actual systems. E2B is the infrastructure that makes safe AI code execution possible at scale. DeepWiki automatically generates comprehensive documentation for any GitHub repository. You paste in a repo link and it reads through the entire codebase and produces clear explanations of what everything does. For developers trying to understand an unfamiliar codebase quickly, or for teams whose documentation has fallen behind the actual code, this is immediately useful. Napkin AI takes text and automatically generates visual diagrams, charts, and illustrations from it. You write an explanation of a concept or a process, and Napkin turns it into a clean visual. For anyone creating educational content, presentations, or documentation, this removes one of the most time-consuming steps in the production process. Gamma you may have heard of, but most people only know its surface features. It is an AI presentation and document builder that goes well beyond basic slide generation. It creates interactive documents, websites, and presentations that look genuinely designed, not like AI output. The depth of what it can produce from a single prompt is worth exploring properly if you have only used it briefly. Tavily is a search API built specifically to give AI agents access to real-time web information. It is designed to return accurate, relevant results in a format that AI models can immediately use, rather than raw HTML that needs significant processing. For anyone building AI research agents or tools that need current information, Tavily is one of the go-to solutions. MM0 gives AI applications persistent memory. Standard AI interactions start fresh every time with no memory of previous conversations. MEM0 adds a memory layer that stores and retrieves relevant information across sessions, so your AI assistant actually remembers context from past interactions. For building AI products that feel genuinely intelligent and personalized over time, this is foundational. Supabase is an open-source backend platform that has become the infrastructure of choice for a huge number of AI applications. It provides a PostgreSQL database, authentication, real-time subscriptions, and storage all through one platform with excellent developer tooling. If you are building an AI product that needs a reliable, scalable backend, Supabase is where a significant portion of the developer community has landed. Crawl 4 AI is an open-source web crawling library built specifically for feeding data to AI models. It is optimized to extract clean, AI-ready content from websites at scale, handling the messiness of real web pages so your AI application receives structured, usable information rather than raw HTML noise. N8N is a workflow automation platform that has become increasingly popular as an open-source alternative to Zapier, with the added ability to self-host it on your own infrastructure. For developers who want the power of workflow automation without sending their business data through third-party servers, N8N gives you full control. Langfuse is an open-source observability platform for AI applications. When you are running an AI product in production, you need to be able to see what is happening inside it, which prompts are running, what the model is returning, where failures are occurring, and how performance is trending over time. Langfuse provides that visibility specifically for LLM-powered applications. Pieces is an AI-powered developer tool that captures and organizes the code snippets, commands, links, and context from your daily workflow automatically. Instead of losing that useful piece of code you found 3 weeks ago or hunting through browser history for a command you used once, Pieces remembers it and makes it searchable. Flowise is an open-source visual tool for building AI workflows and agents using a drag-and-drop interface. Instead of writing complex code to chain together different AI models, tools, and data sources, you build the workflow visually. It has become one of the most accessible entry points for non-developers who want to build real AI applications. Trigger.dev is a developer platform for building and running background jobs and event-driven workflows in code. For AI applications that need to run tasks on a schedule, respond to events automatically, or process large amounts of data in the background without blocking the main application, Trigger.dev provides the infrastructure for that in a developer-friendly way. Langflow is another visual builder for AI workflows, similar to Flowise but with a different architecture that some developers prefer for more complex multi-agent applications. Both tools are worth knowing. Which one fits better often comes down to the specific workflow you are trying to build. Docling is an open-source document processing library from IBM Research that converts PDFs, Word documents, and other formats into clean structured data that AI can process reliably. Anyone building AI applications that need to understand the content of uploaded documents knows how messy raw document processing can be. Docling handles the hard parts. Baserow is an open-source no-code database platform, similar in concept to Airtable but self-hostable. For teams building AI-powered workflows that need a flexible database to store and organize information without depending on proprietary cloud infrastructure, Baserow is a serious option. Screen Studio creates beautiful screen recordings for product demos, tutorials, and documentation. It automatically adds smooth zoom effects, highlights click interactions, and applies professional touches that make your screen recording look like a produced video rather than a raw capture. For developers and creators who need to document or demonstrate their work visually, this removes the post-production effort that usually makes screen recording time-consuming. That is all 25. Tools for building AI agents, processing web data, automating workflows, managing development environments, creating visual content, and running AI applications in production. Most of them are open source. Many of them are free to start. All of them are being used right now by the people building the most interesting things in this space. Go through the list, identify 2 or 3 that match what you are actually working on, and explore those first. The goal is not to use all 25. It is to know they exist so you reach for the right tool when you need it. Hit the like button if this introduced you to something new. Subscribe to Padded Vibes for more tool breakdowns every week. Drop a comment below telling me where you are watching from and which tool on this list you had never heard of before today. See you in the next one.